Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1970 Dodge Super B. Killer car, guys. I actually drove it this morning when I got back in. Great car. You can see it's finished. Just a factory color combination. FE5 red with all new black legendary interior. New BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with new 15-inch Magnums. Car's got a great look. Drives down the road excellent. Good solid straight body. It is a real B. It would have been an original 3-3 car. It now has a 451 stroker engine in it. It was originally an automatic car. They've converted it to a pistol grip 4-speed. Good looking car. And like I say, hits the road real good. Slick paint. A lot of eyes. I mean, this car is just, it looks good. And really nice car. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. Does have looks like the original front bumpers, so they show a little bit of age. Paint's really slick. It's got the fender mount turn signals, they work. I think this thing's had all the original Chrysler glass and it's in great shape. This is the one thing you kind of nitpick on it. Both sides, that A-pillar chrome's a little weak. Dual chrome mirrors, those are new. Original glass in the rear. Little scratching in it, I've seen. Rear defog. Got you something on there, guys. That'll come off. Pretty car. Tail panels original, but very nice. Nice and straight down the side. Sits good. They've definitely replaced that rear bumper. Beautiful set of Magnums on it. It's got front disc brakes. Again, would have been an original 3D3 car, and they've got the 3D3 dual snorkel air cleaner on it, but it's a 451 stroker motor underneath the hood now. You can see it's got stock intake and exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner. They've upgraded to electronic ignition, aluminum radiator with the shroud, power steering, power front disc brakes, pistol grip 4-speed manual trans, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Nice little cam to it. One thing I will say, this is a reman fender tag. The original fender tag with the broadcast sheet is in the trunk. One thing I can see, it's a little cold natured when I first fired it up this morning. You know, needed to warm up a little bit, but other than that, man, it's really turnkey. Go have some fun. Touch up mark right there. Look at this. Car's original East Coast car, January 31st, 1970. It's the original Pennsylvania window sticker for it. Good looking car. Again, this is, you know, if you want to pick something, both sides, you can see it's kind of showing its age. This is a remote mirror. Those are brand new. Door handles look new. Handers. Door seals look new. They said it's got all new legendary interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Factory bench seat. Of course, it's got the pistol grip shifter in there. Headrest. Looks like it's got all the seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. A little wrinkle. All factory dash. Got the tic-toc-tach. The tach does work. All the gauges. We're working on it, and then they put some aftermarkets down here. Blower motor worked, parking brake worked, even a little reverse light underneath the dash here worked. The radio did not work. H-pipe dual exhaust system, 8 3/4, 323, so not a big gear, definitely something you can cruise in. New fuel tank. Yeah, an original broadcast sheet. There's a copy of it. There's some receipts on the rest of it too, and then there's your original trim tag. You can see that it's got the insulation. They have put new quarters on this car. Did a nice job though. It's all body color in here like it should be. But like I say, both sides did have quarters put on it, but you can see if you look in there, it's got the insulation like their original. Car's clean underneath. Like I say, new fuel tank, good sounding exhaust. Good looking car. Again, they definitely repatted, refoamed all these. It looks like they even put the hump in for the 4-speed. A little mark there in their dash. Steering wheel looks real good. I didn't see any cracks in it. You fired up, Mike. Same thing with this side here. Nice little cam to it. You hear it working. Sounds good. Nice and tight, shifts out good. It's your turn signal, Mike, so you can see these working. Tach works. Give a little rev, Mike. Tach works. Gauges do work. Your oil pressure, like I say, oil pressure is pegged there, but it actually does come up and work. And then it's got the oil pressure gauge on the aftermarket oil pressure gauge too. Doors open and close nice. Give a little rev, Mike. Good sound. Got a nasty little cam to it. Yeah, the blower motor works. No on the radio. You see it's holding good oil pressure and everything there. Wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. I think he's in third gear. Have a great day, guys.